Hey. Look, everyone really knows about, marketing through Instagram, marketing through Pinterest, marketing through TikTok. Yeah, I've spoken about it myself quite a few times. But guys, listen to me. Probably the most secret way of marketing and pushing traffic to your Etsy store is actually through YouTube. And it's actually very unsaturated and there's not much competition in doing this. And I know you might say to me, YouTube, yeah, but I don't want to put my face on YouTube. You don't have to put your face on YouTube. It can be a faceless channel. I'm going to give you just some ideas and tips in this video. And on another video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this yourself. But guys, before I get into this, if you love digital products, you love Etsy, you love selling online, you love AI, you love all of that great stuff, then remember, please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. And guys, listen, I've got over 850 videos dedicated to you. I do all these tutorials to help you guys out, and I'm happy to do that. So if you do have some time, please take a few minutes to go and watch some of these videos because you will benefit, I'm sure. Anyways, let's get into this madness. Now, check this out. Look, I'm on this store, right? Etsy store, okay? And it's quite a good store. They sell mock-ups, right? These kind of tumbler canvas style mock-ups, rotating tumblers. Popular because people want to showcase their designs, right? If they're tumbler designers, correct? Really nice, really good. They sell quite a few, actually only 73 really items, 73 listings, right? Not that much, to be honest with you. Less than 100, that's nothing, guys. But if I use Everbee, my go-to research SEO tool, the one I call Everbee, check out the link in my description. Try it out for free because you can analyze any store, you can do your research with it. SEO is fantastic, guys. And then if I just analyze through Everbee, you'll see just the overview very quickly. You can see this store's made over $100,000 in revenue so far. Okay, pretty cool, right? Anyways, but did you know that they also push traffic through YouTube? And this is what I'm trying to say. Some people are doing this, some people are pushing traffic through YouTube, and you got to start doing the same because it's not that hard. It really isn't. Now, let me show you their YouTube channel just really quickly, just so you get an idea. Then I'm going to show you a couple of things, just give you some really good tips to help you actually make more sales. Okay, so I'm on the YouTube channel, right? You can see Isla Designs. You can see the same logo as we saw on the Etsy channel. 37 videos, right? That's all. That's all they've done. Now, remember, obviously, the more videos, the better it is, especially if they're good quality videos. But you can see her videos are literally like the listings. Look at the listings. These are pretty much similar to the listings that we've seen on the store. But look at the views on some of these. Look, 35,000 views, 33,000, 27,000, 11,000. And guys, the traffic is going from these listings to the Etsy store. This is such a powerful way of getting traffic. Look, 10,000, 8,000, 100x. This is really good stuff. I believe if they'd worked on it and done loads more videos, different style videos, even different types of videos, honestly, it would really, really push traffic to their store. But guys, they're not the only ones that are doing this. There are others that are doing this, not as many as you think, but there are people that are actually doing this. So check this out. Okay, here's another seller, Etsy seller called Elvan Campbell, and you can see that their store's called Artful Deli. Again, this seller's doing lots of these shorts, right? Lots of these shorts. But, if you just upload a short, which is simple to do, it's literally using your image, take a picture of it, upload it, or do a little video of it. It's seconds, right? And these videos are getting good views for shorts, 200 views, 50, 195, and 260. And these are simple to do. And you can see if I click on the link, you'll see it goes directly to the person's store, which is called Artful Deli. Check out this one. Look, this seller, right, is literally created a store, if you like, on YouTube, like a store. Look, the banner here is like, imagine like a store, like a website, the framed art gallery, right? A curated collection of vintage, ambient, and aesthetic visuals to transform your TV into framed art. And we know that what this is, yeah? Frame art, TV art, this sells really well. I've done videos on it and they are cool. And literally on your TV or your laptop screen, these are TV specific for 4K frame TV. You can put these beautiful Halloween images, a bit like wall art, right? On your TV. It's like screensavers. But guys, I mean, they are literally, selling these through YouTube. right? And this is what I'm trying to say. Not only can you use YouTube to have a link of your Etsy store that directs you to your Etsy store, but you can also sell through YouTube, right? This is what I'm trying to get you guys to understand. There are so many ways of selling apart from Etsy. You've got to have a plan A, B, C, D, and E. And it doesn't have to be hard. I can show you how to do this. You create a channel, it's easy to do. Give it the name of your store, easy to do. Then what you need to do is just look at these videos. Look, 8.1k views and it's in counting. 44 views per hour. Can you understand how that's crazy? Look, 7.9k views. The good thing about YouTube is it will bring in videos all the time, right? And they're literally selling their TV art on YouTube. Now, let me see how many videos. They've got 36 videos. Now, these are all Halloween style ones, that dark sort of vintage look, but they understand that what's selling well and what's working. It's really, really nice. You got this haunted house that's doing particularly well. Let me just click on it very quickly. Let's have a look at this. So guys, look, I'm playing the video, but there's literally nothing to play. It's just showing me the frame TV art. It's not a video really as such. It's just literally showing me the image. But yeah, look how many views it's got. It's 8.2k. It's got 44 people watching this per hour, right? It's got 74 likes and it's got 378 subscribers. That's what I'm saying. Now, all you would need is a link in the video description via Stripe or something like that, and then you've made a sale, right? And that's all you do. And this is what I'm trying to say. The simplicity, you don't need to show your face. You just need to show your product. People are interested. You'll be surprised how many people search for these things, right? Now, people will start buying more and more through YouTube. And this is what's happening. So you need to get into this quickly because it's really low saturated, low competition, and people aren't doing this because people don't understand how to do this. But yeah, it's probably the easiest thing to actually do, honestly. From my own experience, YouTube is not that hard to understand, right? Yes, you have to learn it. Yeah, you can do check out my stand store with lots of freebies and so on. And also, if you want to learn exactly how to create a store on YouTube, something like this, and just to understand a little bit more. But yeah, it's definitely not hard to do, guys. People are getting crazy views through this. You can link your Etsy store to it. You can have your own website link to it. You can link up a payment method through it. There's so much to it. And guys, like I said, this video, there's nothing special about this video. It's literally just 2 minutes. Look, it's 2 hours long of literally nothing happening. Look at this. It's crazy. Nothing happening. Now, imagine if you did it really short, snappy, interesting, showing how it goes on the TV, selling it really. It would be phenomenal. So guys, listen, go and get into this, go and learn about this, because this is another, I guess, feather in your cap, another bit of trying to push traffic to your Etsy store, or even creating your own plan B of selling outside of Etsy. Guys, if you're enjoying this video and you like videos like this, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, check out my stand store so I can give you tips and ideas, freebies about this. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.